Hi guys, welcome to this video. This video will be the second part of the live call calling video. This video will be without cam because my cam is a little bit fucked up. I can't use it that much. And in today's video, guys, I want to show you, as I said, the second part of the call calling video. It will be live also, and also there are coming good things for this YouTube channel because I'm upgrading the camera. And if you enjoy the video, give me a like because I know that you want this type of videos. 92% of you are not subscribed, and I'll appreciate a lot, guys, if you subscribe because it helps me a lot. And also my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. And also, guys, if you are thinking to doing cold calls for your SMMA business, if I can, guys, that I don't have the best English and also I'm not even a native English speaker and I can do it, you can also do it, guys, because if I can do, you probably can do it better than me. Start doing it because it will be worth it.
Welcome to Private Road Insurance. Your call is important to us, so please listen to the menu options so we can direct your call to the right team. Please press 1 to speak to a member of the team. To hear this menu again, press the star key or say repeat. Please wait while your call is being transferred. Thank you for calling Towan Insurance. Please leave a message and one of the team will be in contact, or you can send us an email. Thank you for calling Medical and General Insurance Solutions. Please hold for the next available agent.
Hi, I'm reaching the owner of Reliant Insurance Agency Limited.
Yes.
Okay, so I'm going to be transparent with you. This is basically a sales call, so I do have something to pitch to your business, and if you would like to hang up now or give me 30 seconds and then you can decide.
Sorry, I didn't understand what you said.
So this is basically a sales call, and I do have something to pitch to your business, and if you like to hang up or give me 30 seconds, you can decide.
No, sorry.
Okay, bye.
Hello?
Hi, I'm reaching the owner of Building Insurance Claim Specialist.
Yes.
Okay, so this is a sales call, so if you want to hang up, I'll give you 50 seconds, so you can decide.
What is it for?
This is a sales call, and if you want to hang up or give me 30 seconds, you can decide.
Oh, right, no, I'm fine, thanks, bye. Matthew, can I help you?
Hi, I'm reaching the owner of Hardcore Insurance Services.
Well, it was. I've retired now.
Ah, okay.
I don't know that maybe many brokers open today because it's a bank holiday.
Ah, okay. So you don't work today, though.
No, I've closed Harcourt Insurance Services down. I retired about a year ago.
Ah, okay. Because I saw your listing on Google, and they say that you're still open.
Sorry, who says I'm still open?
Yeah, on Google say that you're still open.
Yeah, because the Financial Conduct Authority list shows that I've deregulated, deregistered.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Bye. Ah, està tancat el...
Good afternoon, you're through to Expression Insurance. How can I help?
Hi, I'm reaching the owner of Expression Insurance.
Sorry?
If I'm reaching the owner of Expression Insurance.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Sorry, sorry, the line went. Could you just repeat what you said, sorry?
If I'm reaching the owner of Expression Insurance.
No, this is just a line for Expression Insurance.
Okay, it's any way that I can contact him or her? By email or just a phone number?
Yeah, can I just ask who's calling, sorry?
Who's calling? Matt. My name is Matt.
Okay, and you was looking to speak to the owner?
Yeah, or general manager.
Oh, yeah, that's fine. Unfortunately, it's a shared business, so it wouldn't be sort of one specific contact to put you in sort of in contact with.
Yeah.
What was the reason, and then I'll be able to pass you through.
Just about marketing and client acquisition, basically.
I'm so sorry. Can you repeat that?
About marketing.
Okay, that's no problem. And is it something that you want your details removed, or?
No, I have something to pitch to their business. Just an offer.
Oh, okay. No, that's absolutely fine. Not to worry at all. Sorry, I was just trying to decide whether you was a customer or not. That was all. I do apologise. If you just bear
no
with
problem.
me 1 moment.
Okay.
Thank you.
And guys, if you made through here, thank you, because not much people are still to the end of the video. And as I said in the beginning, if you enjoyed the video, give me a like because it helped me a lot. And also my goal is to reach 1000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it sounds crazy, but I think we're gonna accomplish that all together, because nearly 92% of you guys are not subscribed, and I appreciate a lot if you subscribe. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video as I said, and bye, see you in the next video.